Kissha J here, and I'm super excited about today's video. But before we get into that, here on this channel, we do DIY home decor videos. Yes, honey. If that's something that you can get into, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you will be notified. If you've been here and you've been rocking with your girl for a minute, what's up? You the best, you the baddest, and don't let anybody tell you anything different. Okay, period. In today's video, we're going to be doing a round DIY macrame pillow. This pillow is super chic, super cute, and super easy to do. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, friends, so let's start with project number 1. This is going to be an easy one because these pillows are from Hobby Lobby. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I rave about these pillow covers. They already come pre-decorated, pre-made, and all you have to do is stuff them. So that's what we're about to do. These pillow covers were on sale, so I got them for cheap, and all we need to do is stuff them. As you can see, these are very beautifully made with black and cream fringe. When stuffing these, you can either use a pillow insert or you can use pillow stuffing. Today, I will be using pillow stuffing. When doing this project, I highly recommend the pillow insert versus the stuffing. The pillow insert will be way much easier to complete this project. But if you do the stuffing, that's fine too. You just want to make sure that you evenly distribute the stuffing throughout the entire pillowcase because you don't want to have an uneven or lopsided pillow. Once you've completed stuffing the pillow as you want, you just want to straighten out the tassels. Once you have the tassels straightened out, then you can decorate the pillow and put it anywhere in your home. For this next DIY project, we'll be making a round pillow with tassels. We're going to be using this embroidery hoop to make our circle. Once we have our circle drawn, we're going to find the middle of the circle, glue the macrame cord down directly in the center, and then we'll start circling the macrame cord around in a circle until we fill that hole up completely with macrame cord. So with your macrame facing up, you want to take the second half of the fabric and glue it down to the main half. Also, be sure to leave a small opening so that you can stuff the pillow. Now you'll want to cut the ends of the fabric off just like you see here in this part of the video. Now that you have it glued, you want to flip the pillow back on its right side so that we can start stuffing it. Once the pillow is fully stuffed, you want to seal the open end with your hot glue, and then we'll move on to the next step. In this next step, we're going to make the beautiful tassels. You want to take your macrame cord and wrap it around your hand about 8 times. Once you've done that step, you remove it off your hand and then you clip both ends. Once both ends are clipped, this will leave you with 2 bundles of your string. You want to take a longer piece of string to wrap around one of the bundles. You will then tie that string in a knot to secure all the cords together. Now you want to take a small tooth comb and you want to comb out the cord. This is to make the cord more stringy to give you that tassel look. This is how it looks when you have all the cord combed out to give it that tassel string look. Once you have that done, then you're going to cut the tassel evenly. Now that you have all your tassels made, it's time to attach them all to the pillow. Here's how that's done. You thread your needle, then you thread your needle through the edge of your pillow. You tie the string in a knot, just that simple, and then you move on to the next. Once you finish adding all the tassels, then you are absolutely done with your pillow, and it should look just like this. So beautiful, so nice, so elegant. This can go in your living room, your bedroom, anywhere you have pillows set up. This will be a beautiful addition. I really hope that you like this video. If so, give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Thank you. if you're watching this, that means you've made it to the end of this video. Yes, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you really like this video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Also, there'll be some more videos over here that you can watch. If you hadn't seen those, what you waiting for? Go ahead and click that button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.